Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 29, Static Pages. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about the static pages, so let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and choose Reading from it. Here in your homepage displays, you can see an option of the static page. Choose this option, and then for the homepage, you will have an option to select one from all the pages you have created till now. Go to Pages, and you can see all your pages here. You can edit any one of them from here only. So back to Settings and Reading. We are going to select Static Page and our About Us page for Homepage. Then you can select one post page and save your changes from this button. So your changes will be saved successfully. So that's pretty much everything with the static pages. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn how to insert or change favicon on your WordPress site. See you in the next video tutorial.